Welcome to our channel. I am Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. The topic that I am covering today is basically the workflow scheduling in the cloud. The students from the CSC or IT are basically going for such topics for the workflow schedulings. So for those guys specifically, I am presenting this topic. This is basically the technology which is used in the cloud computing, as cloud computing is one of the emerging field in which a number of problems are also faced by the users. So that's why daily basis researches has been done in this. So in that, one of the problem is basically the workflow scheduling, but implementing it as a user level, it is not enough. We need to present it for the systems where real-time scenarios are considered, as this is one of the example paper for you guys in which they have considered the scientific workflows as montage, LEGO, cybershake, and one is the epigenomics, right? So these are what exactly, these are basically the workflow structures are given over there, how much workflow is over there. So you can see the information over there. These are the structures for the workflows here. These are the levels: level 1, level 2, level 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tree based formation, and all are having different structures in itself. So on the basis of these, we have these information by referring the literature, by reading the multiple research papers. We have extracted the information those are related to these scientific workflows. We have implemented for the montage, LEGO, and the cybershake, calculated the results in terms of, you can see as they have taken, that is the cost and the make span time for the scheduling and scheduling in the different scientific workflows, right? This is the only for the montage, but we have done it for all the three, right? So let's have a look at what exactly we have done. These are basically the connections that we have followed from the reference paper, literature paper, and the standard information that is given on the websites. We have, when I'm going to run this code, in this basically we have implemented the swarm intelligence algorithm. I'm running this code by side, I'm telling you the things what exactly it is doing. We have implemented the Firefly optimization algorithm for scheduling the workflow in this particular. This is the information, initial information, number of VMs, DAGs, levels, cost, connection between the workflows that is done and is calculated with the make span time and the cost, right, by changing the threshold. There are two types of threshold, those are considered, one is hard and another one is soft, and on the behalf of that the cost and the make span time in the seconds are being calculated. We have done it for the another montage and LEGO also, and final comparison is being performed by saving the results. As you can see at the end, I have saved the results by using the commands, whatever the results I have received. So when I am running the comparison, it will load the results that I have saved and perform the comparison with the traditional values. Those are taken from the reference and the literature papers. As you can see, these are the results that we have achieved. We will discuss about the cybershake, as I have shown you the results for that. The blue line, this one is representing the results of the proposed technology. It is showing that the make span time for the different threshold value is less with respect to the other algorithms as CGA, PSO, RCT, RTC, ICP, PCP. So these are the algorithms. When you are going to read it on the internet, you will get the more information related to these factors. So swarm intelligence is such a technology which can be used for solving any of the issue, for any of this problem where random solution can work in achieving the best accurate results, right? So we have used the Firefly, one of the trending technology in the swarm intelligence, which is nature inspired algorithm, which is providing better results with respect to the PSO and GA, which is also proven in many of the papers. Even the person who has proposed the Firefly optimization algorithm, he has given the reasons why it is giving better results and what experiments they have performed to show that it is better. So justification is very much required in the research purpose, that why we are using this topic only, this particular algorithm only, so that all things are covered under this topic. And for specifically cloud computing based technologies, this is one of the trending field. Even more modifications are still possible in this. So for that you can contact us directly on the contact numbers given in the description. Stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.